He liked playing in the good storm, and suddenly the bad storm came, and he looked up and he like, and he liked playing in this good storm. Suddenly, the bad storm came to right on this, and he liked playing in the bad one, and he did like this again. And then he found a good place, and then bad storm came. They're like, he was going like, I'm gonna play in here, out here. And then he found it. No, this is the end. He was gonna play outside, and the storm came, and that's a different. And he looked up and saw the bad one, and then they are done.